We begin with carrots. Red onions. Add those to the carrots. Tomato. Add these over there. Olive oil. Pepper. Salt. And earlier I already added some of the citrusy garlic, which you can get at Trader Joe's. Good stuff. And some southern spiced seasonings. And just mix everything. At 450 for about 20 minutes. Now we make barbecue sauce, tomato paste, 2 small spoons is enough, date juice or syrup, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, pepper, salt, and fresh lemon. Come on now, come on guys. And then we'll mix this whole thing together. And we'll add a barbecue spice blend seasoning. There. It's coming together. Oh, let's check on this. 20 minutes later. Very soft, very tender. Smells so good. Fresh salmon. Olive oil. Pepper. Salt. this. And doing what I just did 3 times more, so we have 4 portions. Now we're gonna add that barbecue sauce, if you remember, that I just prepared earlier. Oh, in case you were wondering what this is, well, you know, salt, pepper, olive oil. And now we move this into the oven, still at 450, for about 18 minutes to 20 max. It depends on how they're coming along. There. Mm-hmm. You like my new bangs? Kale. Cut the leaves off. Put them all in there. Lemon. Olive oil. Pepper. Salt. More lemon. And then mix it. And then let it just, marinate or rest for the remaining time while I'm busy with the other stuff. Now let me check. How are we doing here? I'm gonna give it 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Break time. Cheers. Yeah. Grab some romaine lettuce. Now we'll add the lettuce to the kale. And then the roasted vegetables. Salt, pepper, more olive oil, lemon, and then, of course, mix it all together. Plating. Look at the salmon. Some lemon. Pickled peppers. So pretty. Dinner is ready!